In the last 90 days, my faceless psychology channel earned a total of $12,892.37. And the wild part is that every single video was made with AI. No camera in my face, no studio lights, no recording equipment, nothing fancy, just scripts I wrote with some help from AI, a synthetic voiceover, simple graphics, and a niche that is growing faster than almost anything else right now. One of my videos alone generated $3,412. Once it passed a little over 500,000 views. Another one brought in $1,204, and a third one, which I made while half asleep and edited in the laziest way possible, ended up making $987. Even the lowest performer of the entire period earned $389, and that one took me less than an hour from start to finish. These numbers aren't the result of luck. They come from a type of content that people simply can't stop watching because it feels personal, almost like the video is describing the viewer's own mind and habits. When viewers feel that connection, they stick around longer than usual, and when they stay longer, YouTube pushes the video to more people. That's where the earnings start to snowball. The reason these psychology channels blow up so easily is because the content taps directly into curiosity about ourselves. People click because they want to understand their behavior, because they want to feel unique, because they want to confirm that they have rare personality traits or signs of intelligence that set them apart from everyone else. It's not about generic motivation or surface level tips. It's about that feeling of recognition, that moment when the video describes something and the viewer suddenly thinks, wait, that's literally me. That reaction alone creates retention, and retention drives everything on YouTube. Now that you've seen the numbers, let me show you exactly how these videos are made, and you'll realize how accessible this niche actually is. The first step is finding topics that already work. You don't need to reinvent anything. You just observe what has exploded for other psychology channels. If you sort any major channel by most popular quotient, you instantly get a map of what the audience is obsessed with. You're not stealing ideas, you're aligning yourself with proven demand. Every successful creator in every niche does this exact thing, whether they admit it or not. You take those topics, you shape them with your own voice and style, and you instantly avoid the trap of releasing videos that nobody asked for. Once you pick a topic, the script becomes the heart of the video, and here's where most beginners completely miss the point. If you ask AI for a generic psychology script, it gives you something flat and lifeless, the kind of text that sounds like a school assignment. You can't use that. You need rhythm, you need short punches, you need lines that talk directly to the viewer, lines that make people reflect for a second before the next idea hits. The trick is to guide the AI with the tone you want. Fast, emotional, conversational, slightly mysterious. So the script feels like a conversation rather than a lecture. When you do that right, the difference is huge. The script suddenly feels like something that has potential to go viral instead of sounding like the usual boring content you scroll past. After the script, the voiceover is the easy part. Tools like 11 Labs make this ridiculously simple. You choose a clean, natural sounding voice like Brian, paste your script, adjust the speed a little if needed, and instantly you get narration that sounds professional enough for YouTube. No microphone, no background noise, no retakes. And if you ever want to create multiple channels with different styles, you just switch the voice and the tone and it feels like an entirely different creator. With the voiceover ready,
Have you ever noticed how quick people are to judge silence? You stay quiet online and suddenly you're...
the visuals come next, and this is where people massively overcomplicate things. You do not need cinematic footage or expensive animations. The biggest psychology channels use the simplest visuals imaginable. Icons, stick figure graphics, basic shapes, clean backgrounds, smooth zooms, and subtle movements. That's it. You can find hundreds of free icons on websites like Flaticon, Vecteezy, and FreePic. Just download visuals that match the ideas in your script, organize them by section, and you're done. The simplicity actually helps because the viewer focuses on the message rather than being distracted by complex visuals. Then you put everything together in CapCut. The free version gives you more than enough tools to make a clean, professional edit. You drop in the voiceover, place your icons at the right moments, add slight movement so the screen never feels static, use soft transitions, add minimal text animations to highlight key phrases, and most importantly, you activate captions. Captions are a huge deal in this niche. People naturally follow them even when they already understand what's being said. That little detail alone increases retention, and CapCut generates captions automatically, so it takes almost no work. Once your video is edited, all that's left is to upload it and let the algorithm take over.
it's completely wrong, because sometimes the loudest confidence is quiet. Let's decode the deeper real psychology behind people who never post their pictures online and why they're silent.
And here's what makes psychology content so powerful. Every topic in this niche has permanent demand. Human behavior doesn't go out of style. People will always search for personality traits, hidden strengths, intelligent signs, emotional patterns, and psychological facts. Even if your video isn't perfect, it can still perform well because the interest in these subjects never disappears. Some of my videos took days to start growing. Others started strong immediately, but all of them kept getting views long after they were uploaded, and that long tail effect is exactly what turns a small channel into a consistent source of income. If you want to start a faceless channel in 2025, psychology content is one of the most reliable ways to do it. Everything about this niche works in your favor. The production is simple, the topics stay relevant forever, the viewer retention is naturally high, and the revenue becomes stable once you find the rhythm. When you combine those elements, you get a channel that grows faster than you expect, even if you're working with basic tools and no experience. And the best part is that anyone can start immediately. All you need is a good script, a clear voiceover, clean visuals, and the consistency to upload regularly. The opportunity is right in front of you, and this is one of the easiest ways to take advantage of it before the platform becomes even more saturated.